Hi guys, good afternoon. First day of the trading week, 23rd of November, just gone 1 o'clock here. S&P is up from the open, more positive vaccine news. However, we are struggling around these highs, and as we come onto the daily chart in a moment, you can just see the importance of this region, 35.82. I did a video yesterday talking about the longer time frame on the S&P and how I didn't like the close that we had. I think it was Wednesday, and you can see 1, 2, now the third test of this point. If we had also just moved that level to the low of the 17th, I'd be bullish above there. But at the moment, this whole zone is in charge of the bears, and they've had a couple of goes defending it nicely. Wouldn't want to be short if we do get above 35.85, and I actually would like a long if that can come in towards the all-time highs. To the downside, 35.21 X marks the spot where I think you would actually see a bit more of a run lower, and 34.20 would be the point where I'd see price go to. The Dow Jones, similar to the S&P, you can see just knocking on Thursday and Friday's highs as we speak, which is also that low from Tuesday. Really do keep a watch on that. The Nasdaq, which is also pushing higher, for me less interesting, but as long as we can stay above these lows you see here starting on the 12th of November, I'd be pretty happy to be long. We're getting squeezed, something's going to give, but for me the easier trading opportunity does come in the S&P and the Dow. Dollar index multi-month level, as we talked about all last week. And the way the pound finished last week, the first real close that we had above that high that we had on the 19th of August, which was such a key level, it really did look bullish. And I was saying, if we break that trend line, we're off to the races, and off to the races we are, up over 100 pips, trading at 134. The last time we were trading here was back on the 2nd of September. Putting this on a weekly chart as well, you can see we're actually trading at levels not really seen since the night of the election back in the 12th, 13th of December. So good day for the pound. The euro as well is trying to push higher. This would be, if it closes where it is now, would be the highest closing price since the 1st of September, where we had the comments from ECB's Lane talking about the FX rate. So keep a watch on that for euro. Just because it's this high doesn't guarantee it's going to finish there. But the dollar is weak, and a couple of the pairs you can see are pushing on Aussie dollar there as well, trying to get that close above all of that resistance. The dollar is weak. How is this helping gold? Well, let's have a quick look over. 1850 marked the low of last week, such a key technical level. However, gold not really biting to the dollar weakness, which I think is quite interesting. I'd have wanted to see a bigger move higher from 1850. We're not seeing that yet. I've said all along, for me the bigger move happens below 1850 or above 1888. In between there, I'm just not interested in trading. But the way we're trading at the moment, for me, looks like 1850 is going to go. If the dollar weakens massively, gold would like that. But if we have super risk on, maybe not so much. So yeah, one to keep a watch on for gold. Certainly a bigger move brewing is the way I'm reading that. Anyway guys, hope you have a great week, and I'll catch you tomorrow.